Hey YouTubians again, I'm with you from Knapsack, also called the Sack by a lot of people. Just to give you an idea of how good it is here, we'll take a look at that beautiful bike set up in front of that. Oh man, some really sick riding here. I'm with Andy. Yeah, give them a wave, Andy. Yep, so we're shredding together for a bit. Got a week down here, so might go down to Yellow Monday in a few days. But yeah, pretty much. This is what we got. Beautiful view over Sydney. Now, I said I was going to give you a bike check before Christmas, but I got very busy at work. But it also allowed me time to get my new bar and stem on. So, with thanks to Pro, my new bars and stem, beautiful. I also got new headset and stuff for it. So Pro does my seat post as well. Love those guys, great work. You always do good stuff. So they're partnered with Shimano. Shimano's the best. So got the Shimano Dior full drivetrain, including the brakes, and I've got the cool fin stop on them. So I'll just give you a quick look at it. Now, another thing, I got RockShox 30 Gold RL as my forks, and I've got a custom made air volume spacer in there. So, fully tuned to what I like. So, there's my forks. And last of all, I've got Azure bottle cage, just something simple, nice and light. And I've got these Rider CO2 cartridge storage systems on the bike, which is really handy. It allows for quick use of them. So that's them there. And just keeps everything looking neat. And then final touches is my GPS Speedo, my Exos G Plus, and I also run the cadence sensor down there, so it does my cadence, and I've got the heart rate monitor going all the time, so I'm at 120 beats per minute at the moment, which is pretty good. So I'll give you another look at the view and we'll go back to shredding. How does that sound?